Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change VW Jetta brake pads, only ways. Lift the car securely and place jack stands under the pinch welds. Never work under a car on only a jack. Remove the wheel, inspect the rotor and caliper, and have replacement pads and hardware ready. Keep a small container for brake fluid and a clean rag for spills. Work methodically and replace one side at a time for reference. Begin with the wheel removed and locate the caliper bolts at the back of the caliper bracket. Remove the bolts and slide the caliper off the rotor, then hang the caliper using a hook or bungee to avoid strain on the brake hose. Remove old pads and note pad orientation and hardware placement. If the piston is tight, compress it slowly with a C-clamp against the old pad to avoid damaging seals. Clean mating surfaces and remove rust or debris from the bracket and rotor edge with a wire brush. Apply a thin layer of high-temperature brake grease to pad contact points and slide in the new pads with correct orientation. Reposition the caliper over the pads and tighten bolts securely while checking caliper slides move freely. After reassembly, pump the brake pedal to set the pads before driving gently to bed them in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.